What happens when you mix cutting-edge electric tech with savage speed? You get this: Rimac Nevera R, the EV that just destroyed 24 world records in a single day. Meet the Rimac Nevera R, born in Croatia, designed to rewrite the rulebook. It's not just an electric car, it's a hypercar that eats Bugattis and Teslas for breakfast. This beast packs 1,914 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 in just 1.74 seconds. That's faster than gravity. Rimac Nevera R did what no petrol car has ever done. It broke 24 acceleration and braking world records in one day. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 200 kilometers per hour, 0 to 300 kilometers per hour, and even 0 to 400 kilometers per hour faster than the Koenigsegg Regera. It hit 400 kilometers per hour and braked back to 0 in just 29.93 seconds. That's insane. This isn't just about records, it's about the future. The Nevera proves that electric cars aren't boring, they're dominating. Petrol engines can't match this level of instant torque and control. It's also fully street legal, carbon built, and looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Rimac Nevera didn't just enter the game, it ended it. Electric is the future, and Nevera is already living in 2035. Like this video if you want one ride in the Nevera R.